video. And if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, squad. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Sin, also known as TshirtChick. And on my channel, I show you guys how to start and run a t-shirt business by showing you my experiences as I'm running a t-shirt business that I've been running for over 12 years. So today, I got the video for people who are trying to get started, people who don't have a lot of money, just anybody who wants to start a t-shirt business and don't have a whole bunch of money. So this right here, I have a package right here that I'm going to be unboxing right here. And I'm sorry, y'all, the package came like this. Hopefully there's not anything missing, but it's a package from Stars. And if you want to know what's in this package, I'm about to tell you guys. And you don't want to miss this, because this is going to be something that can really kickstart your business, especially if you don't have a lot of money. Like I was telling you guys, this box is from Transfer Express right here, Stars Transfer Express. So what's inside this box is really a great tool to help you start your very own t-shirt business. What I have inside this box is called the Easy Prints Marketing Kit, and I'm going to leave links for it down below this video in case you guys are interested. But I'm going to let you guys see and know everything that's inside of this box. Alright, so when I got this box, like I was telling y'all, it was already like this. I don't know what UPS did, what they did with it, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab everything out, and I'm going to let you know what all the things are. Alright, squad, because this box was all tore up, I'm just basically going to go through and tell you what all is included in the box and show it to you, okay? So right here, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the idea book. Right here is the idea book, right here. Okay, and with this idea book, it's got all the transfers and different designs right here. So you don't have to be able to create custom designs to use this. So that's what this is right here, idea book. So I'm going to read what it says about the idea book. It says, your collection of artwork layouts for professional apparel printing includes hundreds of the newest and most popular design layouts, clip art, and type style options for quick optimization. I'm sorry, I can't even read. For quick customization. Okay, and then you got the easy view right here. You can go online right here, and it says when no designing skills are needed, use this online designer. Create your design using professional design layout. So that's if you want to customize or whatever, you can use their website. You can look in here, find a design that interests you, then you can go here on the website, change it up to meet your needs. Okay, then right here it says t-shirt. Because it's got one t-shirt in here that says, we know how excited you are to start heat printing. Use the shirt and transfer to create your first screen printed shirt in just 4 seconds with your heat press. Okay, so all you need is a heat press. You can print your first shirt. And I'm going to show you guys what I did, because I already got this transfer and heat press right here. I did the video. I'll leave the video up top for y'all in the corner so y'all can check it out in case y'all are interested. But right here, this is the shirt that I printed. And as you guys see, I'm using it to display in my shop. Because if somebody came in here and wanted something like this, I can order the transfers myself and print this for them. Or I could possibly redesign something similar and I could print it, screen print it for them. But, you know, so I got this on display here in my shop, so you can kind of see, you know, ideas of what to do. So like if you was to get this kit, and print that shirt, you can use it as an example to show your customer what some of the items that you would print would look like. Okay, so then right here we got the pricing guide. The pricing guide, it says, use this guide to supply your customers with ordering info like cost, colors, and sizing. So here's the pricing guide right here. So when you open this up, it's got all the pricing in here. I'm not going to show it to y'all. Y'all going to have to go ahead and order one if y'all interested in it. I mean, this is something that can help your business. So I feel like this is something that you need, especially if you're starting out and you want to be using the transfers. That way you can have something to go by instead of having to try to figure it out or tell your customer, hey, I'm going to get back with you with the price. You know, it's more professional, and it's good to have everything right there for your customer, okay? So the next thing we're going to show is the window cling. Okay, right here you can show that you can hang this window cling so that people know what you offer. So right here, here's the window cling. You can hang it in your window of your business, or you can put it on the window of your car, and you could put like in vinyl, you can put, you know, your business name, but this color, because this is a bright color, it's gonna attract attention. People gonna be looking at it. You can also below it put like your phone number or whatever on there so that people can contact you when they do see that. Okay, so right here this says generic idea book. Okay, right here, this idea book, and you can actually let your customers take this book if you want to. If you know, you can actually order a few of these if you need more than one. But I like to keep my stuff in house. So like I would use this book for myself, even though on here it says send your customers home with idea book to give them more time to choose. What I would do is try to keep it in house if I can. But if you would like to send this home with your customers, you can. You still have this one right here. See, my thing would be, okay, if my customer is looking in it right here, I would like to be looking right here. And, you know, that way I can see what they're looking at and talk about the different things that can be done with the designs and stuff like that. So the next thing that I'm going to show you guys is the color selector. Okay, so this is like what I was telling y'all with the vinyl. You know, if you got the exact colors that you can show your customers, that makes you more professional, because some people want to know exactly what color is going to be, exactly what it's going to look like. Some people are real specific like that. Some of them you don't have to worry, but just in case, you will have it. But right here it says the color selector. It says it's been screen printed with the plastic salt ink colors we carry in stock, helping you choose the best colors for your customers' apparel. Okay, so right here, as you see, we have right here, you can see the colors right here, and it's got all the colors that they offer. It's got a little cover over it, but right here it's got all the colors that they offer, and you can show to your customer the exact colors. It's even got like the glitters and all that. So yeah, y'all pretty much know what a swatch is, but this is something good to have for your customers, so you can let them know the exact colors that you have available and that you offer, so it won't be any surprises once whatever is printed comes in. Okay, so right here it even comes with a coupon. You get $10, a $10 credit to help you get started. Okay, I'm not gonna show y'all that because y'all might get your girl code and use it. But then it's got display transfers right here. It says show your customers the quality you can provide by using a full-size sample, perfect for creating a display for your showroom and to practice heat printing. Okay, so this whole pack right here is filled with different transfers right here. This is, you can see on the front some of them right here, and by looking at these you can kind of see, you know, the different types of transfers. You can try the transfers out, make sure you like how they work and everything. Make sure you know what you're doing with them before you actually order some transfers and print them. And also, just like I was telling you earlier with the other shirt, all of these transfers, I think it's about 30 transfers in here, I believe. You can print these on some shirts, and you can have these shirts for your customers to touch and feel, because a lot of people like to come in and feel what's being printed and look at it and stuff, so they got an idea of what kind of printing you offer. So right here, this can be a whole display room. You can also have shirts to wear for yourself if you choose to do so. But this, you know, I would put them on display, especially if I'm just now starting my business, so that they have something that they can look at. Or even if you don't have actual physical business like this, have some of them printed so that you can take them around and let the customers do hands-on with it. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, this is the 2020 Buyer's Guide right here. Okay, so it's just showing you kind of up close the different transfers that they offer and explaining to you what they all are. So this would be an awesome thing for y'all. I'm telling you, if you're just getting started, or if you've been started but you're not sure about your pricing, or if you haven't got into screen printing yet, or if you don't even want to get into screen printing, because if you're doing vinyl, if you add the transfers in, then that, you know, that'll allow you to be able to print faster, so you don't have to weed everything. So if they order a 2-color print, you don't have to worry about weeding 2 colors for 50 shirts. Use this book right here, find exactly what you need, the certain type of transfers that you need for whatever material you're printing on. Order from Transfer Express, and you know, you don't have to worry about weeding individually each color that you're printing on the shirt. Okay, so right here, this is a sample for different numbers. Like they offer like numbers and names for like if you're printing on the back of jerseys, that's what this is right here. All right, and right here, here's more transfers right here. More screen printed transfers right here. This is the same shirt I just showed y'all. It comes with the shirt right here that you can print and put on display. And right here, and I'm sorry y'all, it's a little bit bent up. Y'all saw how my package was. This is the application chart so that you can easily keep track of how to use the different types of transfers, and you don't have to try to figure it out or go online to figure it out. You can just hang this up in your shop and you got it right there on hand. Right here, here is a catalog with your wholesale items in it, and right here you can allow your customers to look in here and find items that they want to be printed on. So, you know, a lot of people, that's one of the main questions they ask me is where I get my shirts from. You can get your shirts, you can order right here using this catalog right here. I just want to let you guys know the best way to start a t-shirt business if you don't have a lot of money, and also if you can't design. You know, you don't have to worry about trying to create a design. All you have to do is use these tools right here at hand and go ahead and, you know, find something that you can use, change it to customize it the way you need it for whatever you're using it for, and go on and make you some money. But I appreciate you watching. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you in another video. Print Squad out.